In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subdivide Trello lists into sections or categories. Start by opening Trello and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the board where you want to organize your workflow. This method is especially useful if you have one long list and want to break it up visually without creating extra lists. It gives you a cleaner way to group tasks by type, stage, team, or any other category you want to track. Next, click into the list you want to organize. Inside that list, select Add Card. For this new card, type your category name in all caps so it stands out clearly. A simple format like dash dash, then the category name, then dash dash works really well because it looks like a divider when you scan the list. After typing the category title, press Enter to create the card. Now click on that new card to open it. From there, choose Edit Labels. The idea here is to give each divider card its own distinct label color so the section is even easier to recognize at a glance. Pick a color that makes sense for that category, then click Save. This label acts as a visual cue and makes the divider card feel more like a section header than a normal task. Once that's done, drag the divider card to the top of the group of tasks it should represent. Then take the related cards and drag them directly below it. This creates a simple section inside the list, almost like a heading followed by its matching items. You can repeat this same process for every category you want to create in that list. Just add another card, name it in all caps, give it a unique label color, save it, and place it above the relevant cards. The important thing to remember is that these divider cards are meant to be visual separators only. In other words, don't treat them like actual task cards with due dates, checklists, or assignments unless you intentionally want to. Their main job is to help structure the list so everything is easier to read and manage. At this point, your Trello list is now subdivided into clear sections or categories, making it much easier to navigate and maintain. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As an extra tip, try staying consistent with your naming style and label colors across the whole board. That way, once you get used to the system, you'll be able to recognize categories almost instantly. This is a simple workaround, but it's one of the fastest ways to make crowded Trello lists feel much more organized. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully created visual sections inside your Trello list.